as a reason to celebrate, share stories, exchange ideas, and form everlasting relationships. Beer has been a part of our life. We, at Sona Beverages, understand and value the gravity of true craft beer. Sona Beverages was established in 2014, and since then, we have been raising the bar by making top-notch quality craft beer, popularly known in the country by the name of Simba. A brand synonymous with brewing unrivaled, authentic, flavorful beer with the finest of ingredients is brewed at the state-of-the-art brewery of Sona Beverages, spread across a gargantuan 11 acres of land and equipped with ultra-modern German equipment. Sona Beverages has a present capacity of 300,000 hectoliter, which is equivalent to producing 36 lakh cases a year. From awesome Assam to the golden beaches of Goa, Simba prides itself to have successfully purged across 15 states of India, including Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, and Kolkata, a highly sophisticated and advanced lab, an R&D facility, along with the strict quality control measures, ensures that our handcrafted beer reflect the true flavor and authenticity that goes into the making of world-class beers. Having the comfort of our own brewery, we at Sona Beverages craft our own beers exactly the way you love, using the highest quality ingredients and automated machines, ensuring consistent quality and a flavor that lingers beyond the first class. However, it's not only the machines and processes, but the passion and expertise of our highly skilled team. Every employee of our 215 members strong workforce is dedicated to providing the best-in-class flavor to our ever-increasing customers. With a bouquet of class-defining flavors, today Simba stands strong as the country's leading manufacturer of craft beer. However, we strongly believe that a company's growth is enhanced manifold once it starts according equal importance to our environment. And to that end, Sona Beverages plays an essential role in giving back to nature. Our effluent treatment plant recycles the water waste from the brewery and also produces biogas, which is used for cooking in the cafeteria. Moreover, spent grain, which is a byproduct of the process of the brewery, is sold to dairy farms nearby as it forms an excellent quality of cattle feed. More than a beverage, today Simba has become a source of companionship for many as it represents a perfect blend of an exemplary beer, and we shall continue to be a valuable part of our customers' life, providing them a top-tier taste and quality. Because mewing time is over. It's time to roll with Simba.